Hey guys, Randy Shirk, Steve Frymore here. Welcome back to another episode of Randy and Steve's Outdoor Adventures. This weekend, we're at our club tournament down at the Potomac River. Should be pre-spawn, maybe even a little bit spawn. Last year we came down real late in May. It was post-spawn, the bite was real tough, but this year we're hitting it right. So I'm expecting it to be good, so stay tuned. Let's go fishing. There's number two. That wind's waking them up. Ooh, baby. It can happen fast. It can happen quick. It can happen quick. That's two. There's a big one. Yep, there's a big one. Please don't come off. Yes. Freaking giant. Freaking giant. Yes. Freaking giant. If I get two more cookie cutters with time left, then I would be willing to pick up that big trap and throw it. There he is. Oh, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. Smoked that brat. Smoked it. Yeah! Number 4. Yes, that's a good fish too. That's a 3.5. Yeah. Man, you're gonna fight me. Man, look how fat that is. Shit, there's a fish. Oh, I didn't get him hooked. Oh. It's a little guy. Runt. I mean a freaking runt. Come on, fish. We need one more. One more. Ooh, there's a bite. It's another small one, I think. Yeah. Little guy. Oh man, he was right there. Come on. Yes. There's number 1. There's number 1. He hammered it. Yes, thank you, Stu. Nice and fat. 16-incher. Awesome. Number 1. Yeah, number 1 in the box. no, no, no. Oh. It's fat. I hope it's long enough. I kind of don't think it is. Dang it. When it first jumped, I thought it might be. Look at that, just skin hooked. I knew it. Come on, please be 15. Yes. All day. All day. Number 2 going in. Nice fat one. Yes. Yeah, it's gotta be that fucking green stuff that's under that riprap. You pull the hooks into that and the bait's freaking done. Right by the boat. This one. Not quite. Yeah, not quite. Nice short fat one. Or a nice fat one, I should say, but it's a short. Yeah, 14. I thought so. Well. God, he hammered it and I didn't get him hooked. Oh. Dang it, he smoked it. Son of a gun. Oh, man. Shit. He absolutely hammered it. That was the hardest crankbait bite I've had all freaking weekend. I mean, he smashed it. And I couldn't get him hooked because the fucking engine was right there. Be a keeper. Oh yeah, it is. It is. Yes, yes, yes. I missed that fish on the crankbait, threw the Senko in there and he freaking smoked it. Yes, yes. Always got to have a follow-up bait ready. You guys saw that. That fish annihilated that crankbait and I didn't get him hooked. I don't even think I have to dink this one. This is the best one of the day for me. Oh my God, yeah, that's my best one for the day. Number 4. Come on. Hey guys, we're just finishing up here at the Potomac River at Marshall Hall Boat Ramp. Today was a little bit tougher than yesterday. I was leading the event yesterday with 1584, and today I was only able to get 4. I caught a lot of shorts. I had the 5th one on and broke it off. So I ended up with, I was second place, 20, 27 pounds and change, something like that, for 2 days. The tournament was won by Travis Spittler. He had 30 and change for 2 days. It sounded like overall the second day, today Sunday, was a lot tougher than it was for most of the field as compared to yesterday, which, you know, is to be expected. But the bite was good. We caught a lot of fish, better quality than last year. Coming down earlier, I just didn't get enough bites today. Basically just ran out of fish. I made good decisions. I knew I was running out of bites at my day 1 area, so I didn't even go there today. Just caught a lot more shorts than yesterday, and just not quite enough keepers. And I had a 4.5 pounder yesterday. I just never got that big bite today. So we had a great time. Potomac's always a good time. I love fishing down here. Pattern for me today and yesterday was I caught most of my fish cranking. Just real small square bills like the Strike King 1.5s and the 2.0s. Or I'm sorry, the 1.0 and the 1.5 is what I did most of my damage on. A lot of guys were catching them on plastics. Fish were in a little bit of a funk. We had that cold front come through last week, and it kind of set them back just a little bit. Some of the fish I caught had bloody tails. Like, you could tell they were bedding a little bit, but it wasn't as easy as we've seen it in the past. It was a little bit stingy. You had to kind of work for them. Fish seemed to be grouped up. Like, if you caught one, there was more there, and then other places just they weren't there. So we had a great time. The next tournament is going to be next month down to Chesapeake. So we'll see what happens, and we'll check in with you guys. Thanks for watching.